Hey, come here.
Oh, sorry.
Come here. Put your stuff down.
Okay.
Put your stuff down.
What?
Nothing's run back.
You told me to go charge my phone to show you the online order.
Okay. Hey, we're gonna go.
On February 6, 2025, police stopped a woman at Walmart. She tried to talk her way out of trouble, but things did not go as she hoped.
This way.
Wait, can I grab my purse real quick?
Where's your purse at?
Right there.
Well, it's coming with us.
Okay.
You have to talk from. Okay, take a seat, please.
You can just set that over there.
So the reason we have you in here today is this ORC.
I'm sorry, what?
Is this ORC?
What's that mean?
Organized retail crime?
I don't know what that means. What does that
Are
mean?
you boosting for anyone?
Oh, no. I just got my first apartment, and
What's your middle name?
it's my dad's initial M.
Okay.
I know you're an officer, and I know you can extend courtesy, and I know I made a mistake, but please also...
The police want to talk to her, but she keeps asking about her stuff. You can see she is already nervous about what will happen.
San Diego County. I'll go to court, I'll do community service, I'll pay the fines. I know I fucked up. If you guys need to put me on a payment plan that I need to come here and pay everything, I'll do whatever. Just please don't send me to county. I've never been to jail, and I just can't go to county. I can't do that to my parents. I don't want to tell them.
Okay.
They'd be embarrassed.
Well, you should have thought of your parents
I
before
know.
you started
I
suing.
messed up. I know. My aunt's an NYPD officer, so if you can extend any courtesy for me and just not take me to jail, I'll deal with every other consequence that I have to
Quick
deal
question.
with.
Have you done this before?
I did it once, yeah. I think Target.
Were you arrested for it?
No.
And another Walmart?
No.
But she will learn this time, right? She did it again the third time.
At Walmart, I never got arrested for it, and it was not above like $300.
A month ago?
Yeah. Actually, at Walmart, they took me to county because it was there, but that's not Oklahoma City County. And I got a lawyer, and I'm doing everything I can. This is my first time living by myself. I don't know if you can see this, but I had court November 5th, and
What was it for?
the Walmart situation, and he dropped it to just disorderly conduct. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, we'll be able to find it. So basically the deal is if you have a conviction for larceny within 10 years, you're going to go to jail, okay?
Like, I have to go to jail?
Yeah, we're gonna take you to jail.
I thought if it's more than $900, I have to go to jail. You can tell me.
If you don't have a conviction, then we're not going to do that. But
I don't think I have a conviction.
well, then you're probably not going
But
to.
if I do have a conviction, can you take me to county?
No,
How will you know if I have a conviction or not?
we're looking it up.
Okay. And
She keeps saying sorry and asking for another chance, but the officers know she has done this before. They do not look very convinced.
there's no courtesy you can extend for me to not.
Absolutely not. You're stealing.
I know. People make dumb mistakes.
Okay. Well, there's consequences for
I
when
know.
you make bad decisions.
I know.
Okay?
And I'll make up for them in any other way. Just I don't want to get raped. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to get raped.
Do you have a total yet?
That's the last case number from a month ago.
Did it say the amount on that one?
This one was 315.76.
Sorry, I'm
What's
talking
up?
about. I'm just anxious.
Okay.
So conviction means that the judge said like I'm charged with this crime, right?
It was not a fine.
I'm charged with the crime, right?
Yeah.
Charged. Okay, that's not happened. No.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
he's looking it up right
Yeah.
now. So if we do,
And then if I don't have a conviction, I'll just get a ticket and have to go to court.
maybe.
If you can, any kindness, just please don't put me to jail.
Well, it's not a matter of kindness.
I
right?
know I made a mistake. I know I
Well,
messed up.
You've done multiple
Yeah,
mistakes.
I know.
Which shows us
And
that
I'm working on it. And if you
no,
open my
you're not working
I am.
because you did it again.
no,
right?
look, I'm sorry.
I can't even believe that you would a month ago get arrested for doing this and then come right back and do it again.
I know it's when you don't have money and you're trying to make ends meet, you don't know what to do.
Okay, I know a lot of people who don't have money that make ends meet without stealing.
I know, and if my phone turns back on, like my lawyer made me make an appointment with my therapist to discuss it with them, to like I can show you all of that, and like I'm a good person, I'm an honor student, I can show you that. Like this is just my first time living alone, and I fucked up, bro. I know I fucked up. I'm being stupid. You can do anything, just don't take me to jail, please. You can give me a fine, I'll do community service, I'll do anything.
So you are going to be trespassed from all Walmarts, you guys. You did it literally a month ago.
Is that forever?
It's for 2 years, but so let's say you're on Sam's Club and they can pull you up.
Okay.
It's technically Walmart property.
Okay,
So it's all Walmarts, Sam's Club, Walmart gas station, Murphy gas station,
Okay.
anything incorporated with it.
So, next month I should be getting a pharmacy technician job. If you guys give me the total amount of what I've stolen and I come and pay all the amount back, could you guys live that?
That's not my decision, and that's not even like.
Is that something that I could do though?
You'd have to contact our home.
The woman tries to make the officers feel sorry for her. She says life is hard and she needs help, but stealing is still against the law.
So it's your discretion to take me to jail or not?
I mean, up to a certain point, if you have a conviction now.
Okay, so if I don't have a conviction, you won't take me?
Not necessarily, we'll see.
Okay. Is there anything I can do to make this issue for better for Walmart? Like do community service, like slowly pay it back? Like, is there anything I can do?
I mean, that's not up to me.
Because I know I fucked up. I was stupid. I fucked up. I don't want this to be my life. Like I said, I want to be a pharmacist. Like I want to have a life. I just made a stupid decision. I'm just stupid. I'm a good person. Like I do a lot. I do community service. I help people. I just made a terrible mistake today. But this is not who I am. It's my first time moving out, and I just wanted everything, and I'm stupid. I'm sorry. I don't know if you know the answer to this. If I do go to jail, do you know how long I have to be there for?
I don't know.
How much was it?
$7.50.
Okay, was it 1,000?
What was it?
$7.50.
$7.50?
Oh no, $7.50. Like $750.
Oh.
Okay, so it wasn't 1,000. Okay.
So the $7.50 is the total amount that she took. Is that right?
So I think you're gonna take me to jail.
$7.50 is not looking good.
But it's not 1,000. So please.
I'm just telling you, that's pretty close to that.
I know.
It wasn't like in the stuff about you being broker that
No, I know.
you're taking rugs and
I know.
that
I'm
doesn't-
just taking house stuff, like a vacuum, a mop, like,
Okay.
you know, and I know 750 is not, but, you know, it's not 1,000. So if you can just give me that, because it's not 1,000, please, just extend any kind of courtesy you can for me.
It's not about courtesy.
I know, but you said 1,000, and it's not
I
1,000.
said 1,000 is a felony. We arrest people a lot of times for stuff that's not a felony.
Okay.
I'll find out.
Here's the deal. Sorry it took me so long. It took me a while to find you in the system.
Okay.
It sounds like whenever you do that, you're just trying to change your name so that we don't.
Oh, no. That's why I gave you my address, and I could give you my social security right now.
No, I found
can,
you.
Yeah, of course.
That's not my point. My point
No,
is.
I give you both. I tried to give you, and I also gave him both names as well. Yeah, just because I'm in the.
You got stopped at literally almost a month ago.
Okay, well, how did she spell her name to you? This one. Okay, yeah, that's her name.
Now, the officers sound serious. They have heard her story before. She broke the rules again, and they have to do their job.
About it?
Okay.
You're going to jail. Okay.
But can I say something? My lawyer told me that if it's below $900, that I don't have to go to jail.
No.
That's not
Your
how-
lawyer doesn't make decisions
Okay.
on who goes to jail.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend you or anything, but please, officer, I know you want to take me to county. I know you do, but please.
Why would I want to do that?
Because you're doing your job, and I respect that, But I also know if I don't know like how this there's someone ranked above you or anything. If he was able to give me a chance, he would give me a chance. So can you give me that chance?
So basically what's going to happen is they said that they're going to allow you to keep your car here in the parking lot, so we're not going to impound it.
Okay.
But you're going to have when you get out or get your phone call, you're going to have someone pick up your car other than you, because you can't come back here because you're trespass, okay? Okay, so we're going to refund the items that you paid for, so they're going to take care of that.
Can I keep the items or no?
I mean, you're going to jail, and you're not going to be allowed to have them there.
Can I just put them in my car key? Because I'll take my car key with me.
I mean, you take a switch when you actually pay for it.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I think they're cutting you a break by giving you a refund.
Okay, can I say one thing without you hating me? I know you already hate me right now.
I don't hate you.
I know, but if you have kids, you might have kids, you might not have kids.
We're not going to keep doing this.
But
Okay?
if you could just extend the courtesy for me, if your kids made a mistake, please don't do this to me.
I appreciate it, buddy.
It'll break my parents' heart, officer. Please give me a chance, please.
Yeah, we should be good to go.
Officer, please.
Okay, you did this.
I know I did this,
So
I
it's
know.
not blaming us.
I know, I'm not blaming you guys. My aunt's an NYPD officer, and she tells me she extends courtesy to people all the time because.
We do
Okay,
too.
I would really appreciate if you said courtesy, because it's not a courtesy. You just stole $600 worth of items.
I know,
okay?
and I made a mistake, and I'm aware of it, and I want you to know I'm aware of it, and I will, whatever you want me to do, I will show you changes actively. I will
Okay.
do it,
We
please.
should be good to go.
Even when she asks again and again, the answer is the same. Sometimes saying sorry is not enough to stop the consequences.
County, get inside the car. I'm closing the door.
Okay, no,
You get
there's
in.
no way to take me to county.
No.
Okay, I'm
Put
sorry.
your head
I'm sorry.
in. Put your head in.
Like first,
Yeah, what's about? Stay right there. Nice.
were you
How you like Percy? Stay right there. Stay right there. Face my car.
like back like this?
Who'd you got? Just face my car.
Oh, face your car. Sorry.
All right, we're gonna walk inside,
Do
okay?
I walk in front of you?
Yeah, I know you didn't want to go to jail. That's what happened.
I know.
But you need to. Hopefully, you learned your lesson. We're not gonna do it again,
Okay.
okay? Because
Do I face this way? Face this way? Walk straight?
Yep.
Where do I go? Walk straight?
Yeah, just stay right there.
What happened like now? Like what?
We're gonna wait our turn to get in line. We're gonna go in there. They're gonna book you in. They just basically process you. You sign some stuff to take your handcuffs off.
And the men and women are separate, right?
In there, no.
Like we're in the same room?
Well, there's only 2 people at a time.
Like we're in the same holding cell?
No, you'll be in a different.
She did not get out of trouble this time. The rules are for everyone. If you break them again and again, you have to face what comes next.